On construction projects, establishing a consistent weekly planning routine is super important. It can build a culture of setting and communicating targets as well as interrogating delays. But, like any habit, reliable routines can be hard to establish, especially in large teams. In the next few minutes, we can see how, with Aphex, we can set up an ideal routine and stick to it across even the largest project teams. Let's start by setting up a routine for our project. For this project, I want to publish a new version of our 4-week look-ahead plan every Friday at 3 p.m. Next, we can set some properties as required fields. This will let the software know which fields users should be completing each week. Let's set WBS as a required field so that all tasks can be related to our master schedule. I'm going to select subcontractor as well. This will mean that I can be confident that our supply chain will see exactly what we need them to deliver. With that configured, we have set a publishing routine for our project. Let's head back to the Gantt and take a look at what this means for our team. So, let's pretend I'm an engineer responsible for a small section of our project. In this case, I am looking after package A and package B. Instead of updating my plan whenever I remember, Aphex has notified me of our new project deadline and reminded me that that deadline is today. Once I've gone over my work, I can mark it as ready, which signifies that everything is up to date. As I go to do that, any potential issues are flagged for me. Issues includes tasks missing the required properties that we set earlier, or clashes between my work and others. We could mark the plan ready with issues if we're in a hurry, but for full marks, let's resolve our missing fields. We can see that the required columns are automatically opened to make it super easy to complete any stragglers. I'm also going to review my clashes by heading to the clashes page. In this case, I have a small clash with Millie that I previously commented on. I was asking if we could both work in the same area. If I open up the task, I can see that she has responded, so I'm going to mark this as non-conflicting and voila, sorted. Okay, with my issues resolved, I can mark my section as ready and I am done. Almost. Projects may also choose to add 2-step ready and review process. In that case, my work will be awaiting review, usually for a Friday morning review meeting with my construction manager. It will then mark my work as reviewed. Perfect. Here we can see the state of our project's plan, no matter if we have 5 or 500 users. When the deadline lands, we can publish our plan and generate a permanent record of our exact schedule right now. This is a powerful part of our routine, generating both a shareable plan, accessible by anyone we share the link to, and a valuable record that can be opened and referred back to at any point in the future. My favourite use of published versions, baselines. If I head back to the Gantt and apply our baseline overlay, I can see exactly how my current plan compares to any time in the past. In fact, I can see how anyone's plan compares to their targets from yesterday, last week, or a month ago. So that's it, the easiest way to set and monitor your ideal short-term planning routine for any project using Aphex. To learn more about customizing your routine or using data generated by Aphex, chat to our team or get a demo.